everyone, welcome back to IELTS Prep by LeapScholar. My name is Deeksha, and in this video I am going to be talking about the 4 major errors that students make unconsciously, subconsciously, which they are not aware about. So please do watch the video till the end and check, are you making this error or not?
Hello everyone, welcome to LeapScholar. From free IELTS lectures and practice questions to mock interviews and tips and tricks, you will find everything here at IELTS Prep by LeapScholar to ace the IELTS test. Hence, to ensure the best learning experience, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get your daily dose of IELTS content.
So let's get started. Error number 1 is actually a grammar error. So not revising your grammar just because you think, I am good at the language, I have a good grasp of the language. Well, yes, excellent, that's great. But if you are looking for a perfect score, I don't know who you are, but you need to practice grammar. So at least a good revision of the topics which could be useful. I'm going to name 5 in this video. Just please check these out. 1 is subject-verb agreement. 2nd is tenses. 3rd is sentence structures. 4th is active passive voice. And the 5th is prepositions. Please do check these out once. The reason is that people think, okay, grammar is probably only important in writing. That is not true. It's useful for both writing and speaking, obviously, because you wouldn't make any errors if you revised your grammar. The 2 remaining modules, reading and listening, did you know that grammar is important there as well? Let me give you an example. A lot of times in the passage or the audio, they are going to give you a distractor. What's a distractor, you ask? It is a similar word or a synonym which might feel like it's the answer. And many a times, the only way to realize that this is not the answer is going to come later on, or the answer is in the second sentence after this, is when you put it back in the sentence, you put that word in the sentence, the question, and you will realize that it doesn't fit grammatically. Somebody whose grammar is not good, they wouldn't be able to do this. I'm going to give you a simple example that I saw very recently. In a reading passage, the question said the number of swans had dash, right? Had dash. So I was looking for a verb. Now, there were 2 verbs in the passage. There were 2 sentences. One said the population of swans rose. So hold on, right? This sentence is talking about the population. And the number rose, right? Somebody who's not good at grammar, what do you think? Do you think this is the right answer? Can I write this word? Now, somebody who's not good at grammar would probably just write had rose. Blasphemy, right? That's had. I can't use V2 with it. I need the V3, the participle, to go with that. So if you read the next sentence, there it was given, it had increased exponentially in the past 10 years. That was the word increased. The first word was actually a distractor. So this is how grammar can make a huge difference. It can be the difference between a band 8 and 9, trust me. So do just revise your these 5 topics. The second mistake that people make is in the reading module, where they scan for every answer. Skim and scan, right? Now, certain questions you cannot do that. For example, the true, false and not given question. Imagine a statement is not given and you are scanning for it. What is going to happen is you will read the full passage, you would have read it, and you will find nothing. So you've wasted so much precious time. Does that mean you shouldn't scan? No, you should. Let us understand how to do it in true, false, not given. Very simple. Scan for 2 questions at the same time. Question 1 and 2, then 3 and 4. What this ensures is that you find at least one answer, so you're not just wasting the entire time. Also, in case you find the second answer, that is a hint that either you've missed the first answer somewhere above this, you've not been able to recognize it, or the first answer is not there. So yes, you can go ahead, use scanning for this particular question type as well. All right. Error number 3 is again in the reading module. what can I do? People make a lot of errors in reading. So this is in the question matching information, where you have to match information with the paragraph. Which paragraph does it come with? Did you know that there can be two pieces of information in the same paragraph? That means that some paragraphs may be useless, wherein they don't have any piece of information at all. So what is the error that people are making? Guessing. Now, if you've seen my previous video, I've said, if you don't know the answer, make an educated guess. Educated, right? And not in this question. Please do not make a guess in matching information. If you can't find the information in the paragraph, chances are that paragraph is useless. It doesn't have any. So do not make a guess. That would really make things complicated for you, and you would just end up getting wrong answers. In this particular question, if you can't find the answer, leave it, let it go. Do the full question. And if now, after doing the question, you see that after doing the full task, you see that 2 questions are left unanswered, well, then you can just go back and make a guess, right? But after you finish the full task, not before, not in the middle. In the middle, if you feel, okay, I can't find the answer, let me just know. Do not make a guess. All right, error number 4 is in the writing module. People who are not, very confident with writing, or you've never written academically before, there are a lot of resources which are out there in the market where, if you know who I am talking about, you get templates of all sorts and sample answers. So templates where you can just fill a few words, phrases, and you can just copy the entire thing. So people actually do that. Please do not do that. Refrain from doing it. Trust me, IELTS examiners are trained by Cambridge. They have a thorough training. They are super good, super quick at recognizing templates and plagiarism. If you use your own words, there may be grammar errors, yes, but you're likely to get more marks if you use your own words as compared to a template. Let's please all avoid doing that. If you watch my videos, you know I always give a bonus tip at the end. So here is tip number 5 for the speaking module. Let's say if you struggle with content and when you get nervous, you go blank, right? A lot of people make the error of just repeating their words or just saying anything, thinking that, okay, if I say something, that's better than nothing. No, I would rather recommend that you take a pause. It's okay. Take the pause, recollect your thoughts, and then answer. Am I saying that it's okay to take a pause? It's not bad. It is still bad, but it's better than repeating words and saying gibberish. So that's fine. Do not be super worried or paranoid about it. If you go blank, take a pause. Just put in a filler, you could say, that's an interesting question, let me think about it. Perfectly acceptable. But what you're saying should be good, it should make sense. So once after the pause, you can go back with a bang. You make sure you give them your 100% and you get that 9 out of 9, right? Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. Also, please click on the like button, comment down your further errors if you've made any, and I will see you in the next video super soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.